As you open each lesson, you will first see the text with a short preview of what is going to be in that tutorial. And then throughout the tutorial, you will see red arrows indicating the items that are being discussed. From time to time, you will see the shortcuts showing as text items on your screen. There will be some clips for you to download, and they will be on Dropbox. The link is shown here. These clips will include videos of Sydney Harbour. There will be some still images. There will be some audio files, and there will be some graphic images for you to work with when you're doing animation. These clips, images, graphics and audio files will allow you to work along with the instruction and have a hands-on experience. When you refer to the tutorial, you will see a little orange tag on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, which will have that particular subject highlighted in it in white, so that will give you a visual reference as to where that subject matter is. You can also scrub through the tutorial at any time and be able to pick up those little orange references in the bottom right hand corner. So watch out for orange in the bottom right hand corner, and that is taking you to different subject matter. You can import your footage in the following way. Go to the File menu, select New, select Library, and then give it a name, save. It will create a new event, import, select your files, the Sydney Harbour files. With the Shift key down, select the stills and image also, so that you select all of the clips. Then select Import Selected. You'll want to copy to the library and also create optimized media. Import that, and there are your files. I hope you enjoy the following lessons and that you learn as much as you need.